But you can see a bit of a mess right now. Kingston University Watermain break. That was the whole. That's why streetcars aren't running today. And for who knows how long, maybe the next few days. As a result, it's just the replacement buses running. So I'm at the corner here of King Street West and John. And I'm going to, on this, at least somewhat beautiful day. At least we've got some blue skies here. But earlier on, I was telling, there was a group of 3 or 4 passengers here that were waiting, and I had to tell them there's no signs posted. I had to tell them that there are no streetcars or buses running on here. No 504 King streetcars, no 503 King streetcars, no 504 King replacement buses, or no 503 replacement buses, Kingston replacement buses. I had to tell them look at the nice snow. You gotta be careful though, lots of ice today. But as you can see here, they haven't gotten around to posting the signs up. There's a Watermain break. There's a Watermain break at Kingston University, but that's also affecting all the way from Simcoe to York. So I had to tell those TTC commuters that you got to go on Adelaide if you want to keep going east. You got to take Adelaide. You got to go on Adelaide, catch one of the 504 or 503 Kingston, the 504 King replacement bus or the 503 Kingston replacement bus. So it just feels really good to help someone out. He really appreciated that gentleman, gave me a dab, and the 3 people earlier, 4 or 5, really appreciate it. So I'm gonna try and volunteer as much time as I can here. Obviously I can't be here all day, but hopefully maybe I can try and stay until they at least post signs up here. I don't know if I can maybe make my own sign, but I don't know, we'll see. Canada flag waving, nice. At least it's a much improved day than we've been getting recently. There's the tips light box. Might as well, while I'm volunteering my time here to help out commuters, might as well maybe get some views along the way. But I'm gonna go further west on King Street. See if there are any passengers waiting there for nothing. Again, if you gotta go east, you gotta go on Adelaide. Pretty nice day here. Let's see if anyone's waiting there. I'll go back. Is anyone waiting there? King and John. These magic gloves are, these so-called magic gloves are. Anyways, as we take a look at a nice, relatively new Starbucks. Just to give you an update here, I'm at the corner of King and Peter, and I just finished telling a few gentlemen here that most of the buses, 504 and 503s, are turning on Spadina. To keep going east, you gotta go on Adelaide. Earlier I was at King and Spadina, and there's a gentleman who's understandably very upset trying to get to school. And I was actually on this side over here. I had to tell a gentleman as well, and he was running late for a meeting, so he ended up, instead of walking to Richmond, he ended up just taking an Uber. So just to give you a little update there. It's been standing around for half an hour, and I'm gonna keep trying to help. Hope you're all doing well. Remember, you are awesome. Each and every one of you as I'm walking on the streetcar tracks here. There's a nice view of the CN Tower. Well, I don't know if it's a nice view. I guess it's subjective, but at least we got a nice day going. Nice. Very nice. Corner of Kingston, Spadina, that's where I've noticed most of the buses are turning. I just helped five women let them know what's happening, so it feels good to help out, and I guess that'll be my good deed for the day. I do see some supervisors finally on King Street West, so maybe they'll get around to posting signs, whatnot, but try and stick around for a little bit more, maybe another 15 minutes. That'll make it a good hour. Pretty much that's around I have to get going. But try and do your good deed. Wow, better watch out for whoever that is. Do your good deed for the day. All right, I guess my work here is done. I lost count how many folks I informed. It looks like they did put at King and John, they did put up a little sign there, but eventually they got to make their way to Spadina and Bathurst. Those are the most busiest. Take a look at here. David Pico Square, all full of snow. Nice day out. Finally, thank you. There's Roy Thompson Hall over there. All these buildings, part of the Metro Center. See where all the snow is, that's where you often find folks with their dogs. Brilliant day. I'm feeling good. Got a lot of thank yous. Some people really appreciated it. Have yourself a most wonderful day. Cheers.